What was your book wrap invention invented for? Our book wrap invention was invented for books. Actually, hardback books in particular. We always felt that paperback books should go inside our little envelope, just like CDs and DVDs and other things that can comply with large letter and sneak in there. But hardback books was always the intention with our book wrap. But the world's largest internet retailer started using it for all manner of things, and in the end has migrated over to our Lil mailer. You've probably seen the M reference items, M1, M2, M3, M4, being used for all manner of products, electronics, consumers, tool parts and all sorts. In fact, I've got 4 other sizes out on display in addition to these 2, 3, 4 as well. But just to explain to you, the evolution of the book wrap, started off like this with just the single peel and seal at the edge here, but we upgraded all our little products to have the twin peel and seal on this to stop these side flaps from bursting out. So when you open the product like so, actually when you come to seal it, these side flaps are then stuck and adhered here. So there is no possibility, when you then seal the product, of those side flaps coming open. The same goes with our LP version for 12-inch vinyl record, so CLP. Again, tin pin and sell all of our book wrap products. So yes, in answer to your question, the book wrap was originally invented for books, but this is a prime example where it's still fairly flat items. The book wrap is the perfect solution for and pack time sub 30 seconds. So hopefully that's answered your question. Mel happy.